Right, today we're going to make rice pudding. So over here we have got 25 butter, just normal plain butter, doesn't matter if it's salted. We've got Castor Sugar, I tend to use the more refined stuff, pudding rice, and whole milk, 750. The whole milk is to make sure it doesn't foam up so much. If you use semi, it's okay. I've actually substituted 100 of my recipe for cream because I like to have the proper dairy whole milk and I can't get it at the moment. So we're going to start by frying note my lack of ability there for a moment. Right, so we've got the butter. We're going to start with the butter in the pan. And we just wait till that has melted. I should have melted it. Heated it. Probably would have been better. So you're going to melt the butter, and once the butter is melted, that's 25 grams of butter. You're going to add 50 grams of castor sugar and 100 of pudding rice, and then stir that in. So my butter's coming to melt now, so that's not taking me a long time. It's worth noting the higher quality ingredients that you can afford to buy for this, the nicer your pudding usually is. So there's my butter melted, so I'm going to throw in my rice and just coat that in butter quickly, and the sugar. So that's all in. At this stage your pot's not too hot to hold. So I can just show you what that looks like now. Quickly. So that's the stage we're at with that. And I'll continue with the recipe. So now all we need to do is stir our milk in. Right, I left that too long and my rice has started to catch. Rookie error. Just make sure that's all not stuck. And then my milk and cream mix that I did, but you can just use normal milk if you want. And that's it really. And my pudding's probably going to stick now because I have stuck rice in the first place. So I'll put my spoon down. Right, we'll get the lid on. This is a 6 litre I'm using, so you need to slide your lid in at the back before you put it down. Twist, press cancel because we're going to go and change it and we're going to put it on rice function. So with your lid here, don't know if you can see, but at the moment it's up. I'm going to put my valve down and then I'm going to select with this. You can see it changing. I'm going to select rice and I'm going to do it for the 12 minutes it says. And then after 12 minutes I'm going to leave it on keep warm for about half an hour. I'll take the lid off, stir it and then leave it on keep warm, and hopefully we have lovely thick rice pudding. So just to confirm there, you've got your valve closed and we're on rice, and the rice default is 12 minutes, so that's how long it should take. And then it's going to change over and you're going to put it on to keep warm, stir it as it kicks in to keep warm, and just leave the lid on And you can either leave the valve as it is or open the valve. But it's not going to be pressure cooking, so it doesn't matter. Okay, there we go. I shall come back when that is ready to stir.